तलवार की धार से जिसने इतिहास रचा, मराठों के गौरव को जिसने पुनः गढ़ा, शत्रु ने भी जिनके सामने सम्मान से सर झुका दिया, ऐसे छत्रपति को कोटि कोटि प्रणाम किया, कोटि कोटि प्रणाम किया। Today, I stand before you to speak about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, one of the most remarkable leaders in Indian history. He was not merely a brave warrior or a successful ruler, but a visionary statesman and an able administrator, and a symbol of ethical leadership whose ideals continue to guide us even today. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was born in 1630 at Shivneri Fort. From an early age, he was deeply influenced by his mother, Rajmata Jizabai, who nurtured in him a strong sense of justice, devotion to duty, and love for the motherland. By the mentorship of his mother and the guidance of the capable teacher, Shivaji Maharaj developed a clear vision of self-rule and governance. हर किला आज भी कहानी सुनाता है, शिवबा के साहस को फिर से दोहराता है। हर पत्थर पर उनकी गाथा लिखी हुई है, जो हमें जीवन की प्रेरणा देता है। At a time when large parts of India were under foreign or unjust rule, Shivaji Maharaj laid the foundation of Maratha Empire. His aim was not personal power, but the establishment of Swarajya, a system in which not personal, but people could live with freedom, security, and self-respect. He built strong kingdom despite limited resources. Shivaji Maharaj was an exceptional military strategist. He introduced new warfare technique, emphasized discipline in his army, and built a powerful navy to protect the coastline, making him one of the earliest rulers to recognize the importance of naval strength. आपत सुरामः समरेषु भीमः दानेषु कर्णः नयेषु कृष्णः। अर्थात संकट काल में वह श्री राम है, समारांगण में भीम, कर्ण सा वह दानी है और नीति में निपुण वह श्री कृष्ण है। What truly set Shivaji Maharaj apart is his philosophy of governance. He believed that a ruler's primary duty is the welfare of the people. His administration was well structured, accountable, and transparent. Soldiers were selected on merit rather than the birth, and corruption was strictly discouraged. Shivaji Maharaj showed extraordinary respect for women. असे 10 बहादूर समोर आले तर उभे कापू, पण बाई समोर आली तर आई समजून तिच्यासाठी कमरेत वाकू. He issued firm orders that the women should be protected. Any act of violence against women was strictly punishable without exception, showing his higher moral values. Although a devout Hindu, Shivaji Maharaj practiced religious tolerance. He respected every religion and protected every religious places. People of different religions served in his administration. कित्येक दुष्ट संहारिला, कित्येकांची धाक सुटला, कित्येकांची आश्रयो झाला शिवकल्याण राजा. Relevance of Shivaji Maharaj today. Ideals of Shivaji Maharaj are relevant as they were in the 17th century. His concept of Swarajya encourages people to live with freedom and security. Most importantly, Shivaji Maharaj teaches us that leadership comes with compassion, courage, and character, not on authority alone. How we can follow Shivaji Maharaj? By practicing his moral values in our daily life, by being sincere, responsible, and disciplined, by standing against injustice and upholding moral values. Shivaji Maharaj was not a leader of his time, but a guiding light for future generations. His life reminds us, his life teaches us that greatness lies in service and welfare of the people, and teaches us to live with courage and compassion. इंद्र जिमी जंभ पर वाड़व जो अंभ पर, रावण स दंभ पर रघुकुले राज है। पौर्ण बारी बाह पर सम्मुरति नाह पर, जो सहस्त्र बाहु पर राम द्विजराज है। दावा द्रुम दंड पर चीता मृग झुंड पर, भूषण वितुंड पर जैसे मृगराज है। तेजतम अंश पर काणजीवी कंस पर, यो मलेच्छ वंश पर शेर शिवराज है. शेवटी मी एवढंच सांगेल की आपण पण शिवरायांच्या तत्वांवर चालू आणि ताठ मानेने सांगू की महाराज तुमचे मावळे तुमच्या हिंदवी स्वराज्याचा प्रण कायम पाळतील. जय भवानी, जय शिवाजी.